Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on charging an Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Your new watch will come with this USB charging cable. You will need to plug this into a wall adapter if you have one, or else connect it to your PC or another device that has a USB port. Once it is connected, you can charge your watch by placing the bottom of the watch onto the concave part of the charger. You will feel it click into place with a magnet when you do it. The screen of the watch will light up with a charging icon. You can easily take the watch off the charger by pulling gently and the magnets will release. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.